Okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial using the Glamlite pizza palette. It's so cute and fun. It comes in this pizza box here. You open it up and you get the palette. Then inside the palette opens up here. It's a really big palette, has a huge mirror that's super good quality. And if you guys want to get this look, I'll be leaving a link to the palette down below, and you can also use my code Meghan Mckali to get a discount on your palette as well, and any other products on their website. So if you guys want to get this look, just keep watching. Alright, so I already have the tape on my eyes. I'm gonna go in using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, put that all over each lid. Then using the Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Garlic over here and just put that all over the lid. I'm gonna set that powder. This mirror is ginormous. This whole palette is huge, but the mirror is so big, it's so great. Then using the shade Extra Cheese, same brush, just gonna go over the crease, fluff that up to the brow line. Then going in with the Morphe E17 brush. It's like a little pencil brush, or a thicker pencil brush. I'm going to use the shade Sausage. I'm just gonna put that in the crease of my eye. Wow, these are very pigmented. I was not expecting that. Bring it in the outer corners here. Going back in with the Sigma E40 brush. I'm gonna use the shade Extra Cheese and just kind of blend everything together. Then using the Too Faced Glitter Glue, I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm not gonna cut crease the eye today. Then using my Morphe M124 brush. It's really good for packing on those shimmer shades. I'm going to go in with the shade Jalapeno. It's like the shimmery army green. I'm just gonna kind of pack that all over the lid. Even the shimmer shades are really pigmented, going on nicely. Using that Morphe E17 brush and that shade Sausage, I'm gonna go back into the crease, kind of blend everything out. Taking that E40 brush, not dipping it in any shades, and just blending. Then we're gonna go on to the next side, same exact thing. All right, now I'm going to be using the Kiss Lashes in True Volume. It's called Dreamy. So after putting my eyelashes on, I'm going to go over with the Benefit Roller Lash eyeliner just to blend it all together. I'm gonna do a little wing as well. Just kind of darken over the areas on the lashes. All right, so taking that tape off, we're gonna go ahead, just kind of buff out where the lines are from the tape. Using the small pencil brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Basil. Kind of brings out that jalapeno shade. Just tight line the waterline there. Then using a Morphe M432 brush in the shade Sausage. I'm gonna put that in the outer corners, darken them up a bit. Then with my Maybelline eyeliner, I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. And with the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes, I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. All right, you guys, so that completes this look using the Glamlite pizza palette. I think it's so fun, so creative, just adds a little bit of color to your collections as well. The mirror is huge. The palette is ginormous, so it's definitely not convenient for traveling, but definitely recommend it. You guys can use my code Meghan Mckali at your checkout for a discount as well. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button down below. Make sure to comment what you'd like to see in future videos and to subscribe. Bye.